Hi guys, in the last lecture we see how to use colors in CSS. Now in this lecture we talk about what are floats and how to use in CSS. Floats are basically used for to change the position of a text or a block. These are mainly used if you have a menu, if you have a right menu or left menu or in a center menu. So these are very simple. So first, this is our first section that CSS is here, and the second section our CSS is here. In HTML we have two divs. First one is first section and the second one is the second section. So if I want to change the position of our first section and align it to the right. So for this I go to first section and write here float and to the right. Save it and refresh. So you now see our first section, that is the CSS tutorial, is now aligned to the right. This is the left section and this is the right section. So if I drag it here and you clearly see our first section is now on the right align and that is automatically in the left align our second section. So if I also want to change the second section to the right, so could save it and refresh. So now you see both are to the right align. This is our first section, that is first right align, and the second section that it's after right align. So change it. If I want to change the float of first section to the left, I change it left, save it and refresh. So now you see both our section, that is the first section that aligns to the left and the second section that aligns to the right. So now if I use a paragraph at the bottom of these divs, so what will happen? So I write here paragraph tag. This is the paragraph text. Save it and refresh. So now you see our this paragraph is in between our left align section and the right align section. So that is because this is only aligned to the left section and this is aligned to the right section. Our center is now empty. So if we want to add the text after these divs, these are in the center. So what if I want to in the beneath of these divs? So for this we use another div. I write here div tag and close it and write the class. I write it clear. Clear means that sense this is in the beneath of these divs, means in the next section. So in the CSS, in the style tag, I write class shows with dot clear, the name of the class, and I write here one more style text that is clear and write here both. That means clear the both of the divs. Save it and refresh. So now you see our next section paragraph is on the next line and the clear command, the clear tags or style is used for that is not empty, that reserves for these two divs. So that is our floating and how it works we see in this lecture. So here we end this lecture. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for these latest videos. Thanks for watching.